Hi, welcome everyone. In this episode, I am going to show you one historical puzzle named as Taxi Driver Puzzle, composed by Jixwan Brooklyn in late 90s. It is white to play and win. Before solving the position, let us understand what is happening here. As you can see, black has material advantage with two knights, bishop, and four pawns, whereas white has knight, bishop, and two pawns. Okay. White is yet to promote the pawn to a queen, but he cannot do it straight away. If you try to do it, then black can give this knight to f7 check, attacking the king and queen at the same time, and black is totally fine here. Okay. So now let us start the solution. So the first move for white is to give this important knight to f6 check. After this, black has three different options: king h8, king g7, king g6. So if you go to king h8, then white can promote this pawn to a queen with check, which is winning for white. And if he tries to go to g6 square, then again black has a problem after bishop to h5 check. Black can try to capture the knight, but again white will just promote with the check. And if he tries to go to g7 square, then again we promote to a queen, as the f7 square is controlled by the bishop. Now there is no fork available for black. Let us go back. So after knight to f6 check, only reasonable try for black is to play king to g7, avoiding some checks. Next, white must play the move knight to h5 here, leaving black with, again, two options. One is to go back to 8th rank, and another one is to come front. So after king to g6 here, white will give this bishop to c2 check, which is very, very important check. And black plays the move king to h5 by taking the knight. And now there is a slight difference in the position. Black's king is already on the edge of the board, which gives white a very important idea to promote now. White is actually allowing this knight f7 check with the fork to come, and after which white plays the move king to e6, allowing one more check on the board. So black proceeds, captures the queen with check, and now white comes back to the f5 square. As you can see here, black's king is actually stuck here on the edge of the board in between white's pieces and pawns. And after this king to f5 move, white is simply threatening bishop to d1 checkmate. Black will try to play the move pawn to e2, trying to stop this bishop d1 checkmate. White proceeds with bishop to f3. Bishop to e4, threatening bishop to f3 checkmate. And black can try to stop this checkmate by under promoting to a knight, controlling the f3 square. White continues the attack towards the king by playing the move bishop to d5 with an idea of bishop c4 and then bishop to e2 checkmate. So black's best possible try is to push the pawn to c2. White continues with bishop to c4, threatening be2. Black promotes the pawn again to a knight to control the e2 square. White plays the move bishop to b5, threatening the checkmate on the other part of the board, that is on e8 square. The best possible way to stop it for black is to play knight to c7, attacking the bishop, controlling the e8 square. Now, white just drop backs the bishop to a4, and now he is again threatening this bishop to d1 checkmate, which black cannot stop. Black can try to delay the checkmate here, but it is of no use. No matter what black plays, white's idea is to play bd1 and then checkmate. Black tries knight to e2 here. White plays bishop to d1, pinning the knight. Black tries knight to f3, but no matter what he does, bishop into e2 will be played by white. And in this position, black tries to play this nc e6. But anyway, he cannot stop this bishop into f3 checkmate. A very beautiful puzzle with a nice technique. Thank you for watching this episode. If you like this effort, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.